Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Pinterest login issues, password and access errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are typing the correct email address, username, or phone number linked to your Pinterest account. Next, check that caps lock is off and that your keyboard language is correct before entering your password. Then, tap or click the eye icon in the password box to confirm there are no hidden typos. After that, try logging in from an incognito or private browser window to rule out saved data problems. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies, then fully close and reopen the browser. If you used the Pinterest app, force close the app and open it again to refresh the session. Then, update the Pinterest app from the App Store or Google Play to avoid version-related login bugs. Next, restart your phone or computer to clear temporary system conflicts. If you forgot your password, select Forgot Your Password and request a reset link by email or SMS. Open the reset email and click the link right away, because reset links can expire quickly. Create a strong new password that you have not used on Pinterest before. Make sure your new password includes letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid spaces if the form rejects them. If the reset email does not arrive, check spam, promotions, and any other filtered inbox folders. Also search your inbox for emails from Pinterest and confirm you are checking the correct email account. If you still do not get the email, request the reset again and wait a few minutes before repeating. If you see an access error, turn off any VPN or proxy and try to log in again. Switch your internet connection by trying Wi-Fi, mobile data, or a different network to rule out network blocks. If Pinterest says suspicious activity, complete any security prompts and verify your identity if requested. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, confirm you can access your authentication app or SMS codes. Check that your phone's date and time are set to automatic, because incorrect time can break verification codes. If you log in with Google, Apple, or Facebook, ensure you are signed into the same provider account you originally used. Try disconnecting and reconnecting the provider login only after you can access the provider account successfully. If you get repeated wrong password errors, wait 10 to 30 minutes to avoid temporary lockouts, then try again carefully. If you suspect your account was hacked, reset your password immediately and review recent activity after you regain access. Remove unknown devices or sessions from your account settings once you can log in. If the problem happens only on one device, uninstall and reinstall the Pinterest app to rebuild clean login files. If you see a browser-specific error, try a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. If none of these steps work, contact Pinterest Help Center and include screenshots, error text, and your account email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.